Tesla has officially launched the 2025 Model Y, the world's best-selling vehicle, now refreshed and available for pre-order in the Asia-Pacific region. Deliveries are set to begin in May 2025, and this release brings exciting updates including a stunning new color, Glacier Blue. Glacier Blue is an exclusive addition for the refreshed Model Y, offering a sleek and icy tone that perfectly highlights the aerodynamic redesign. The Model Y's updated light bars, sharper body lines and single-body casting all look exceptional in this vibrant futuristic shade. Alongside Glacier Blue, Tesla offers classic options like Stealth Gray, Pearl White Multi-Coat, Quicksilver and Ultra Red. But Glacier Blue is the standout choice for those who want something exclusive and modern. This refresh isn't just about aesthetics. The 2025 Model Y features ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and even power-reclining rear seats. Tesla has also reintroduced the turn signal stalk for improved functionality, making this update both stylish and practical. Whether parked or on the move, Glacier Blue turns heads, making the 2025 Model Y the perfect blend of style, innovation, and exclusivity. Pre-orders are open now, with deliveries starting in May 2025 for the Asia-Pacific region. Could Glacier Blue be your next Tesla?